Assalamu alaikum family, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you for clicking in this video. So today we are making this delicious and quick snacks which is called potato finger snacks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button right now and let's get started. For that we need 2 breast chicken which we have to boil it first. I add a little bit of water and salt, boil it for 10 to 15 minutes and remove from the flame and shred it. Now bring a pan and add some oil, and we're going to fry 1 medium chopped onion just for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, because we don't want our onion to be brown, just to soften the onion. Yeah, so after that we're going to add peppers. So here I had only green and yellow pepper. If you have red one, just add red pepper as well, and just mix it and add chopped green chili. Fry for 1 minute and add the chicken, and then we're going to add some spices. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to add some oil since the chicken was too dry. So I add some oil and mix it well. I'm going to cook for 5 minutes, just to stir fry for 5 minutes in a high flame. After 5 minutes, our chicken is done. Now I'm going to transfer into a plate and let it cool down completely. I have boiled my potatoes already and mashed them. So I will transfer into a mixing bowl. So these are 4 potatoes. It was 4 medium potatoes which I boil and mash. And now I'm going to add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm adding also fresh coriander and mix it. Next, we're adding the chicken and we're going to mix it to combine everything well. The mistake I made here is to mix chicken with potato while it's hot. It was so sticky. It was so sticky. So what I did, I kept in the freezer for 20 minutes, and when I take it out, it was so smooth, easy to make the shape I wanted to mix. So don't do that. Don't mix it while it's hot, okay? Just leave it to cool down completely and then you mix with your potato. So here I was making to freeze it, so I won't show you guys how to fry. I can only explain to you how to fry it. We need eggs. If you want to fry, you need eggs, 1 to 3, depend how much you are frying. Yeah, so you dip in the eggs, and in the pan you add about 3 tablespoons of oil and fry until it's light golden. Do not deep fry. Do not deep fry. So guys, yeah, I'll end my video right here. If you did like, please like, share with family and friends, and if you do try, just let me know. Come back in this video and let me know how did it come out. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next upload. Allah Hafiz. Bye.